This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Octavia Cheveresan. 2 bedroom 1 bath each side, approx 1064 square feet each. Washer and dryer hookup inside of each unit. Separate electric meters, 1 water meter. Ceramic tile throughout in both units, 2 ranges, 2 refrigerators, 2 dishwashers.Awesome floor plan with separate dining room and a pantry in kitchens. Seller reports AC and roof less than 5 years old. Each unit has private courtyard, Unit B owner occupied. Great location. Just off of East Bay and Belcher Road. Flood insurance not required. Zone X. For more information, review the details below or contact Octavia Cheveresan at 727-789-5555.